Hello everyone, Mohamadi here. If you can hear me, give me a one. If you can see me, give me a one. Yes, Rick, you can use PayPal to make a purchase. Wow, Rick came in already. Can you guys hear me? Are you guys hearing an echo or something? If you are just give me echo. If you are not, give me no, because I'm no echo. Beautiful. I'm using my headsets. They're kind of messed up. I need some new headsets. I wanted to use this, but I just feel kind of in the mood when I'm wearing this. I'm like, it's game time, it's go time. It's really exciting. We have a really good attendance. We have a lot of people on. I see Francis, I see Bill, I see Allison. Allison, good to see you. Kristen, I see Matthew, I see Rick, I see Jeff, I see Bill, Jim, Greg. Amazing. Great to have all of you guys here. Tonight we have a really special one. Tonight we're going to dive deep into getting familiar with your crypto affiliate template. I wanted to do the affiliate template and the goal template all at once, but I realized that was going to take us about 3 hours, and we don't want to stay here that long because some of you guys have had a really long day and you want to just come in and get the juice and keep on rolling. Try to get some rest and relax and spend some time with the family. So I always try to maximize this at most 1.5 hours. So without further ado, let's get into it. It seems like everybody's in here. If it's your first time on my webinar, give me a 2. If it's not your first time, give me a 1. If it's your first time, give me a 2 so I can see who's here. Okay, a lot of twos, a lot of twos. So this is what we do here. We do all the engagement happens in the Facebook group. So I'm gonna open the Facebook group here and we're gonna go straight right into it. If you are not in the Facebook group, what you're gonna do, I just dropped the link in the chat and every single one of you guys should have it, the link. If it's your first time, request to join the Facebook group and I'll add you in the Facebook group. June is on here, ready to roll. So let me see. This is let me go find the specific post that we're gonna engage on. It's not this one, not this one, not this one, but this one. I'm gonna pin this at the top of the page. Is it pinned? Okay, it's pinned. I'm gonna say hi, welcome to the show. So we can direct everyone towards welcome to the show. Boom, this is the where all the engagement's gonna happen. I have it here, the first video of me walking this morning, the video that I did in the morning. So if you're on this webinar, give me hashtag boom. If you're here and you're ready to roll, excited to learn about how to optimize, how to edit and brand your website and make your website unique. If you're ready, give me hashtag boom on here. If you're not in the group, request to join the group. I want to see the booms going. I want to see the booms coming on this specific post, the post that is on my screen now, this one. Give me a lot of booms so the people on Facebook knows exactly what time it is. Let me see the booms. Oh, hello, Renee's in. Let me see who else is in. I want to make sure that everybody's commenting at the right place. Boom. Matthew, welcome to the show. Matthew, I met Matthew in Cocoa Beach last year. Super excited for MTL 2022 coming to Nashville very soon. Gotta book my ticket and everything. June, always great to see you. June is one of the people that really inspires me to keep on going. If it's your first time here, request to join the Facebook group so we can make sure everybody's in the Facebook group. I'm dropping the link to the chat again so everybody can go ahead and ask to join the group if you're not in the group yet. I just sent it out. You're gonna see it in the GoToWebinar chat box so you guys can all get in the request to join the Facebook group. And I'm gonna make sure everybody's in tune. Everybody knows where all the comment goes before we get rolling. We have some really amazing stuff planned for tonight, and I cannot wait to go through this with you guys. Boom. Rick, welcome to the show. Let me see where all the booms is going. I'm not seeing a lot of booms. Maybe Facebook is, we broke Facebook, most recent. Okay, I see a lot of booms. Greg, oh God, look at all the booms. This is epic. Let's get it. Let's get it rolling. So I have this amazing PDF that I made, and all of you guys gonna have access to this PDF. And this is for this specific webinar, TAW Theme Hand Holding webinar series. It might be 5 of them, it might be 10 of them. I'll do it as much as it's required, it's needed for all of you guys to get up to speed with your affiliate website building process. We had one last week. The first one was really epic. We had this offer that literally lasted a couple of hours on the TAW Theme site. And after that, I got a lot of messages. I don't want to show the messages, but a lot of people that was like, oh, I set up my alarm to wake up at 2 in the morning because it is in Spain, I believe it was, and he wanted to make it into the offer, but he couldn't because it was so late. He was trying to listen, watch the webinar while his wife was next to him. He didn't want to wake up his wife. And when you hear about things like that, it just like, you just cannot walk away because, this offer, I'm committing a good amount of my time into dealing with you, like the people on the offer on a personal level. And you have, like, we have seen a few of those videos that are posted on the Facebook group, few of many. Most of the people that have, gotten in the first 10 people have already gotten the one-on-one call session with me. This was me with Allison. Allison, if you are in the webinar, give me hashtag hell yeah, because we had an epic session, and I was on the call today. I was with Peter Murphy as well, Peter Murray from England, and I saw Allison comment. I gotta say, hell yeah, we had an epic session. This offer, like the way I design it, it requires a lot of my time, so that's why I had to shut it down, like last week in less than 2 hours on the TAW Team site, to be able to focus and getting a lot of you guys situated. Every single person that got in that offer are all situated. Some of them already have the logo and the branding is already being processed. If you have gotten the order and you haven't, finished your onboarding document, go ahead and submit it so the team can get on it as soon as possible. Many of you have gotten your articles. Many of you have gotten your articles also. Many of you have set up your TAWWP hosting accounts, and some of you guys have even ordered, get your page speed optimization set up. And the 5 article, I know Alison got her article. A few other people have gotten their article as well. I know the offer have been put together in consideration of the articles we had on, we have on the TAW Theme marketplace. So if like a couple of people was thinking about getting some gold articles, we're gonna give you a way to order those articles, but it's gonna take a little bit of time for the team to produce that content for you, because our offer initially designed around the articles that was on TAW Theme, and our primary focus, because crypto without risk was crypto without risk, we focus really on crypto. So, but if you need gold article, submit it to the team. We're gonna allow that to happen, but you just have to acknowledge that it might take a little bit of time for the content team to produce those articles. And besides that, an exclusive Zoom session tomorrow at 12 p.m. at 8 p.m. tomorrow, same time. We're gonna have our exclusive Zoom call. All of the members that got into the offer would be on the screen with the video on. An amazing session that will be full of energy. I'll be answering all the questions, and as well as sharing some proprietary resources, as the questions comes up about those specific subject. And the total offer was about 15, 20, 29, but with that limited offer that I pushed out last week, it was $697. And because I got a lot of people requesting for it, I decided, we have over almost 20 people that messaged me that have posted in the group about joining the the waiting list, and I just because of few people, like Rick is here, Nick is here, like a lot of you guys are already here with your credit cards, just ready to process. I'm gonna open it, but by the end of this webinar, I'm gonna it's gonna be taken out. So if you're on here and you came for that, I want to make sure that I get you going, because I know some of you guys are. I was talking to me earlier. I'm like, you just have to come on the webinar, and it's like, oh, it's 2 a.m. It's like, you just come in. I'll make sure I get you guys going as soon as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to promotion, offer, and I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna activate it for just 1 day. But what I'm gonna do, I wanna show you guys what you're gonna see as soon as you log in, so we can get this out of the way and dive deep into our training. So if you log into the TAW Theme, this is the dashboard that you see. I'm gonna take one of the offer out, and I'm gonna put the new offer, the other offer, and after the webinar, I'm gonna take that offer back out. So I'm gonna action, I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna deactivate this offer, submit. I'm doing this live so you guys know of, okay, let me see, it doesn't wanna activate, so I'm gonna come here and edit here. I'm gonna activate this offer. So the offer is officially active. If you go to your website, you're gonna see the offer. Let me go here and take one of this out so we can have a balanced situation. What happened? The add-on title is required. Oh, okay. Let me see. Okay, add-on. Okay, so let me see. It's activated. I think it's activated. Let's see. Let's refresh our page and see what we're gonna see. Boom. Yeah, I need to deactivate this, but this one is here. You can go and take advantage of it. I'm gonna close it at the end of the webinar. Just wanna get the few of you out of the way so we can get things going. Let me just go ahead and edit and take this one out. Okay, offer name. The add-on on title field is required. Add-on name ID. Okay, add-on name ID. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time trying to figure that out. One thing is for sure, the offer is activated. When you log in, you're gonna see it. It's this offer. Just go and check it out, and we're gonna get going. Melanie Young, what is the Facebook thread for the How to Night webinar? Melanie, it's this one. It's this one here. Let me go back to it. I know you guys are commenting at the right place. Can we still order a few gold article outside of the special order? Yes, you're gonna be able to order a gold article, and we're gonna dive deep into that tonight as well. We have a lot stacked up. I wanted to get this out so people that came in for that can get that going and take care of, take advantage of the offer. We have 10. The minute we reach 10, I'm gonna close it. So, and the first 5 people here, I'm gonna give the first 5 people the 1-hour session with me individually. And because I'm not gonna give 10, but the first 5 that gets in, I'm gonna give them the 1-hour session. And also another thing that I didn't mention, everybody that have gotten the offer would have a private access to a Slack channel. And in that Slack channel, I'm there 24/7, at least every time that when I'm awake. Don't text me at 5 in the morning, because that's the times that I tend to go to sleep. So I'm in that Slack channel responding to questions and anything that you guys have. So if you're ready for the training now, I want to see #ready, because we're going to go straight to what we are here to do what we are here for today. Give me #ready, and we're going to get rolling. We're going to get rolling. As you guys can see, this is what we have planned today, the TAW Theme Hand Holding webinar, September 1st, getting familiar with your crypto affiliate template. Number 1, we have your website. branding. Number two, we're gonna do how like we're gonna go over how to publish your content and articles. And number three, we're gonna show you how you can collect data with your website through your opt-in email newsletter subscription. And then number four, we're gonna go over how to add new pages on your website by leveraging the add-on feature that we have. I'm sure many of you guys haven't seen yet. I'm going to reveal that also tonight to all of you that have not seen it yet. So without further ado, I have some videos to play. So we're going to go ahead and play the first video. It's going to be me and Nirmal going over the branding process. We went through the branding process of the website we set up on the last webinar called the Secure Investment Insider, and you guys are going to enjoy it. So let's go here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen and I'm gonna find exactly where we need to go. Find the videos. Branding. And hello everyone, Mohamadi here. I'm here with Nirmal. Okay. Let's see. Technology trying to get the best of me. It's like you can see these control, play the video. This is a long video, 41-minute video. I had a little bit of hard time uploading it, but hopefully we'll get to play. Hello everyone, Mohamadi here. I'm here with Nirmal and we are going to do the branding integration. Before we get it playing, give me a 1 in the Facebook group if you could hear the beginning of it. If you could hear the beginning, so we can make sure that everybody's hearing it and not come back, and not play this for a while people couldn't hear it. If you can hear it, give me a hashtag, give me a 1 in the Facebook if you can hear it. Just give me a 1. Amazing. Ryan can hear it. Okay, so everything should be good. Let me go ahead and play it. For Secure Investment Insider, it's the same website that we have set up in one of the recent videos. And this is the branding process. Nirmal is going to go ahead and update all the colors, update the logo, so we can have a website that looks completely different than any one of the templates than everybody else's. Everyone that have the template have pretty much the same colors, but you want to differentiate yourself with your branding, and that's what we're going to do now. Before we give everything to Nirmal, I'm going to show you guys the Secure Investment Insider website as it is now, secureinvestmentinsider.com. You have the old logo, you have pretty much everything here from the old, from the templates. And we're going to go ahead and update it and make the website unique with the color scheme, with the different logo, with the Secure Investment Insider logo and everything else. And for you guys that are, that have gotten the offer or that are, that have ordered the branding package with TAW Theme, you don't have to worry about this because we're going to do the integration for you as well so your website can look different. So as of now, we just got our branding back from TAW, this is the branding package for Secure Investment Insider, and this is all the items that are part of it. So we have our logo here. Where's the logo? Let's go to the branding and media kit. We have the logo here. The different aspect of the logo is here. We have 2 colors of the logo. Normal, let's use this color, this one, so we can, create a little difference.
Yeah.
Or actually, let's use this. Which one do you think we should use? Okay, you can use the gold one. This one, so we can give the website a gold look. And besides that, we have all the other items that we have here, like the profile pictures, the banners, and we have, most importantly, what's going to make this edit very easy is the branding document, because it's going to give us the exact coupon color codes. We know we have this color code and we know we have this color code, and all of it is in line for is what we need to be able to update the branding successfully. So we're going to go ahead. Your model is going to take the lead from here on, share your screen, and get everything rolling. And you guys are going to witness Nirmal updating everything on the branding standpoint in just a few. And after Nirmal is done, we're going to come back here and just press refresh and see everything come together. So I see you guys and the inside. Nirmal, you want to take it away?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can share your screen. I'm going to cut off my camera so you can share your screen and get things rolling.
yeah. Okay. Okay, so just let me share my screen. So here is our branding folder. Let's download the element that we want. So we want the logo. So let's use this one. I'm downloading this on my local. Let me download all the all the branding items. So we
Okay.
have download the logo, and now let's jump on the brand guidelines file. So here is our brand guidelines file. So what we need the colors code and the font style. That's it. So the two things we need for this template. And one second. Okay, so we have our logo. Let's resize the logo so that we can reduce the size. So I'm using the software. Let's make 100 height is sufficient. Export this to PNG. Yes. Okay, so my logo is ready, color codes is ready, and font is also ready. Let's also download the fav icon. Okay, let's resize this. We want this in 100 by 100. PNG format is good. Save it. Okay, so now we are in WordPress admin panel. So let's first preview the default template. So this is our default template. So we will change the whole branding. Right, so let's start with the header section. So for the header section, we have to go for uh, like from the baby builder. When you mouse over here, you can see the home, footer, and header. So we want to start with the header. So let's click on the header. We already have download all the branding elements that we want from our branding folder. So we just need to upload this. So click here, just change the logo. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Click edit, select upload my, let me upload my files. This is my logo and this is my fav icon. So this is the two things we want. This is my logo. Select and see, like the logo is very big in the size. We can reduce the size. Go to the style section and you can see the width. So you can just change the width. Let's make this 100. It's too small. Make this 200. I think it's look fine. And now click on save button. And now change the logo. This logo also. Click here. This. But on this section, no problem. Let's change this first and see the impact. This is also a very big in size, so let's make this 200. Click on save button. Right, so the logo is updated and now we need to change the colors. Right there. So let's jump on my branding document. This is my branding document. Let me copy this code, color code, and click here. Click update this code. Yeah, the code is same, so it's fine. So we don't have to do any changes on here. So this is done, this is also done, and this color code, I think, let's check this color code with my branding document. There is, let's copy this. Yeah, it's the same. So our header is now ready. So but I want to change this background thing so it look different. Click on edit setting, sorry, click on settings, scroll down, and you can see this is the image. We have used the image, but we can use the colors also. So I'm using now the color. You can change the, when you go to this section you can see the type of the backgrounds. So I can use the color, gradient, photo, video, embedded codes, slideshows, so like that. So you can use as per your requirement. So I'm using the color type and then select here. So I already save my colors here. If you want to save the colors, then just select the color that you want. For example, this is the color, right? So once you select the color, just click on this plus icon. This color will automatically added on your color presets. So in the future, if you want to use this color, you can easily use that. Just click here, and after that this pop-up will open and you can just select the color. That's it. So you don't have to do anything on that. So this will, in this way you can save your time. So let me click here. So this is done, and you can see now this is added here. So in future, if I want this, I want to use the same color again, then I have to click here and just select this, and my color will be selected automatically. So this is done. Now click on the save button, and now you can our desktop version is fine. So side by side you can also check the responsive view, like the mobile view, tablet view. So for that you need to hit R on your keyboard and you can see the responsive editing. So this is your tablet view, and if you click here, this is your mobile view. And if you want to exit from this editor, just click on exit. So you will be exit from your editor mode. So now you are in the default editor mode. So I think on the header section we have changed everything, and let me show you like how to change this color. the same way, just click on edit, scroll down, and you can see in the background the colors is changing, right? So you can change the color according to your brand guidelines. So I'm using my default color because this is my brand color, so I don't have to change anything on that. Once it's that done, click on save button, and these are the social media icons. You can add, if you want to remove the social media icons, like let's say you don't have the LinkedIn or Twitter or something, then you can do that. So click here, this is a pop-up icon group. Click on first tab icons. You can see the list of all the icons that we have already added. So let's say I don't want to use the LinkedIn, so click here on this cross button. You will see the alert window. Do you want to do you really want to delete this item? Yes. So when you click here, you can see now it's removed and we have three social media icons. So, and if you want to add, just click here, add, edit, select icon, and just type the icons. Most of the popular icons is already there, so you can see the different shapes of Facebook, LinkedIn, right? YouTube, Google, Google Plus. Sorry, Google Plus we don't have. This is the Google's icon. Like that you can use according to your requirement. So once you done, click on save button, and you will be exit from this window. So I'm removing this. And if you want to how to add the social media links, so click on add it, and you can see this field, the link. Just paste it your your Facebook URL and click on save button. And if you check this new window, then when user click on Facebook icon, this user will like redirect to the new window, and your
Hello, guys. Alison just said that she couldn't see anything. I just want to make sure that everybody can still see. We are at 14 minutes and 58 seconds. I just want to make sure that everybody is seeing the screen. If you're seeing the screen, Alison just said she couldn't see anything. I just want to make sure that everybody can see it. If you can see, give me a two. If you can see, give me two here in the comment section. If you can see, just give me a two so we can make sure that everybody's seeing. Okay, Matthew, you can see. Let's get more people that could see before we get going. Okay, Renee can see. If you can see, give me a two. We need like two, three people saying that they can see. Allison, there's a lot of twos. Just refresh your webinars like page. Maybe jump out and come back in, and you should be able to see. I see a lot of tools here. Even Jim give me boom, boom, boom. Amazing. So we're gonna keep on rolling. Allison.
and your page will be open in the new window, right? So like this you can update the social media icons and add the URLs on there. So the next is, if you want to change the colors, because in my case we don't need to change the colors, we want the light color like the white, because our background is dark. But like according to your brand colors or your brand guidelines, you can change the colors. So I'm showing you how to change the color now. Like the let's say if I want to change my Facebook color to yellow or something, so I can go to my style. So you can see the colors property. So let's see, let's make change this, like, right? So this is now change, right? This is default, and let's say if I want to make this hover like this, So on a hover, this is my color, this is my hover color, this is my default color, right? So like this you can change this. Once you're done, click on save button, so the changes will be updated. So in my case I don't want to change this because I want the white color, so I'm just leave this as it is. And once is everything is done, then click on save button. Or in style, you can change the size of the icons. Right now it's 424. You can increase according to your requirement, right? You can add the space between the social media icons, you can align, right? And these are the icons color properties. Again, you can also do the changes from here, right? In advanced tab, you can manage the margins. The next is you can this is the visibility section. In visibility section you can show and hide the section, this particular section. You want to show this in larger display only, so which means larger is your desktop version, medium is your tablet version, and small is your mobile version. So according to these breakpoints you can control your sections visibility. The next is the animation part. In and we on our theme we have a default list of animations. So is these animations is already created, so you can just select the animation that you want. Like let's say I want fade up, so like this you can see the change. This is zoom in, right? Next is bounce up, like that. So you can play with this according to your requirement. If you like, and you can use the animation, any of properties, animation type according to your sorry, your requirement. I'm not using this, so let's make this none. And on this section you don't have to do anything, and rest is fine. So once this is done, just click on save button, and after this your changes will be saved on on this section. So I pretty much, I think on our header section we have done all the changes, so we don't have to do now anything. So let's publish these changes. So click on done, publish, and after that all these changes will be shows on front end. I can see my changes. Wait, this server is very slow somehow. So you can see now our header is changed, the logo is changed, because the thing
Nice.
is we have we are not seeing the a more difference on that, because the default template and our secure investment insider branding is pretty much same. So that's why it's not showing the huge difference on that. But the so in this way you can change everything according to your like brand guidelines. So basically it totally depends upon the branding, because branding will change your the whole layout. So
Right.
so we have changed now the header section, and now let's jump to the footer section. So again go to your baby builder and click on footer. And the another way you can find the footer and header, go back to your dashboard, baby builder, themer layout, and you can see the list of the templates. So you can see header and footer. Header is already done, so this is your footer. Click on baby builder. When you hover here you can see the bunch of options. So you can select the baby builder, and you will move in the editor mode. So just scroll down. This is our footer section. So in footer section we will change our logo and the background color, right? So let's change first the logo. Click here. Let me choose my logo. This is my logo. Done and done. Okay, so let's change the size. Go to style and width is 250. Yeah, so click on save button, and now let's change the background. So click on row setting and scroll down, and again the background type property, we need to change that. So we don't want to use the image, so we will just use the solid color. So click on colors and then open my preset. So this color I already saved, so click here. I don't have to do anything on there. So this color is now applied automatically, right? And we have a one option here, effect. If you want to add the effect, background effect, so you can see the particular backgrounds. Right now it's not enabled, so let's enable this, and you can see the effect, right? If you want to apply this, you can do that. So let me change the opacity 1.2. Okay, 1. So like that we can add a very slight if background effect, and click on save button. So this is done, and these are the categories. You can manage these category from the widget type, or you can create these categories menu on the backend. So let's jump to the dashboard, appearance, and menu, and we can create a new category menu. Let's say uh, category. So click on categories. We can see the all the list of the categories. So just select all, add to menu, and all the categories will be shows here. And after that, click on save menu. So our category menu is created. Once it is done, let's jump to this page. Let me refresh this page so that 1 minute. Let's complete this process. This background it is very slow. Yeah, so it's done. Let's refresh this. Okay, so click on plus icon on the top and scroll down, or you can just click on search and type menu. You can see the advanced menu. Just drag it and drop it here and select. We want to show the footer category. So select this, and we don't want the responsive navigation, and in mobile this should be left align. Okay, and this is aligned to left. Let's remove the margins. The left we need, okay, I think 10 pixel is fine. No, 10, 5 I think. You can change these properties according to your requirement. I'm changing to according to my layout, so it's not the fixed values that you have to use that. And next is yeah, click on vertical type so that all the list will be shown as the bottom, and margin is fine. Yeah, click on save button and let's remove this. So like this you can add the categories. So it's just an example, so I'm removing this, but this is the way that you can create a menu categories, and you can add that categories on your footer section or anywhere. If you want to show the category in your inner pages or home page or any other pages, so you can do that. So so let's leave this for now
Amazing.
as it. So once this is done, then you can click on done button and click on publish. So once these changes saved, then you can see the changes on the home page.
So we are done. Let's, Nirmal, you want to refresh it there? Refresh
Yeah,
it.
one. Hmm, yeah. So this is our default, and so this
And
is our
now it's
footer,
fully.
right? So this is now completely done. So now the next process is to change the font style. So for the fonts, we need to jump into the customize section. Click on customize. You can find the customize from your homepage editor and as well from your dashboard. Go to your dashboard again, appearance, and you can see the customize. When you click on customize, you can see the settings on the left side. Go back to your journal tab and then click on headings. And on headings we have this is the font family. So on our branding we are using the Roboto font. Type the Roboto, and the Roboto font is applied on H1 and on other also Roboto. So we can see the font is now changed. So let's make this bold, and you can change the size of the your heading tags like H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. You can change the size, line height, and the letter spacing from here. And this is your H1 tag property, right? So you can change the color also. So this is the way you can change the heading type, heading properties. And once this is done, go back. And now we need to change the text properties. So roboto, this is roboto font. I'm making this 15, looks big. So this is done. Let me change the color and go back. And this is the Asian color. Like these are the links color. This is my default link color, my brand color, and this is my hover color. I'm not changing this because the same color we are using on our brand guidelines, so we don't need to change that. But in your case, you if you want to change this, then you can click here. This is your main primary color and this is your secondary color, right? So you can change that color, and once everything is done, then just click on publish, and your all the changes will be applied on front end. So let's wait. Meanwhile, these changes is publishing. So this is the way that you can change the heading styles. Mostly in most of the brandings, we are using the Google fonts. The reason is because these fonts are easily available anywhere, so you can easily integrate that, and we don't need to add the custom fonts, because the more custom fonts and we add on our themes, right? The more themes will like the themes will become the heavy, so we want make sure like you the themes should be the very light so that you can get a very good page speed.
Those are some
So
amazing
that's
points,
why,
Nirmal.
yeah, so because most of the users have a very good website, they are using a lot of things, but the main thing they are avoiding, like they are adding a bunch of plugins that are not required. Because I saw some couple of tickets, like some of the users using the two cache plugins. It's not required. Two SEO plugins, it's not required, because
Right.
the more you use the plugins, like more plugins, like two SEO plugins will not make your website help the in
Most
SEO.
more optimized, yeah.
Yeah,
One is
and
enough.
also one is enough, because you use more, that crash your files, right? The chances is more, right? And your website goes slow down. And second, try to use the light size images. Right now the trendings, let me show you one website. Whenever you use the images on your website, image compressor, use this website. It's a free website. From this website you can optimize your the images, right? Let's say if you have the image more than 4 MB or 2 MBs, right? You can reduce the image size. So let me show you one example. I don't have pictures, but yeah, let me see.
There you go, picture.
Yeah, this gold picture. So let's see. Right now this picture is 12.8 MB, right? It's very heavy image. If we use this on our website, like we can use any of CDN service, anything we can use, but we cannot get a good speed because we are using very heavy size.
Yeah.
So try to avoid this thing. So let me compress this. So just select this and drag it here, and this will be this software will do everything. So 88% compression we got. So after that, just click here and download. And now let's see the size. Now the size is 1.5, right? We can still compress this more, but earlier this was 12.8, right? So almost 88 percent compression we got, right? So like this you can compress your images. So try to use the image there is another format which is also helps the user, like your website, to in the page speed. You can use the webp format. It's very trending format. Let me convert this. You can find the converter jpg to webp. There is a software plugins also that automatically convert your all the images while you uploading on your on your WordPress panel. So you can also use that plugins, but maybe somehow these plugins, like the paid plugins is available that will that work properly. But if you don't want to use that plugins, then you whenever you add the articles, before adding the articles or any content on your website, let's make the practice so that you can follow these steps also and make your images very sorry light in the size wise, and use the proper size and the proper file format. So WebP format is very good format, and this will speed up your page speed, help a lot on there. So I'm just changing this. So this is my image, and just drag it here and just click on convert to WebP. And once it's done, I think it's almost finished. Yeah. So download this. So this format is very light, right? But like, not light, but the basically right now the size is 2.1 MB. But the thing is, at the time of the render, this format will render very fast as compared to the JPG or PNG.
Mm,
So try to use these because these are the special formats that are developed for the websites, for the web formats. So try to use these formats, so that you can get a good page speed and you can improve your page speed.
amazing.
So this
Guys,
is
this
the
is
way.
some really big resources that Nirmal just shared with you as well, along with, show you how you can brand your website, pretty much getting familiar. This specific webinar is so you can get familiar with your website, moving around and updating. One of the questions that came up a lot before was the logo question. How do I change my logo and all of that stuff? So after watching this webinar, you'll be able to now you are able to do all of that, and you know exactly where to click. But if you have the branding package, the offer, you don't have to worry about this because we have all of this integrated as well for you as part of your plan. Normal, I'm going to take the screen for a
Yeah,
little bit
sure,
and just
sure.
refresh it so people can see how uh, how this all thing went down. So I'm going to share my screen here. Can you guys see me? Okay. Clicking yes. So this is the website, before the update. As you guys can see, the crypto, like the Secure Investment Insider logo was pretty similar to the logo we have on the template here, right? Let me see, where are we? Yep, this is it. If you look at the crypto investment, the Secure Investment Insider logo is pretty much similar to what we had on the template, like pretty much the same colors, the green and the gold, like the Rolex colors. So we didn't there was not much to pretty much do on here as far as optimizing, but as far as changing the color, changing the website look. But I wanted to go through this so you guys can see exactly all the button that was pressed, all the update that was made, and this is how it was before, the template, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh it so you guys can see all the changes that was made. Refreshing now, Secure Investment Insider. We changed the logo. We changed pretty much our footer also. We added the category section. For any one of you guys that want to add a category section, you can do that as well. So in the next video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to use this subscribe button here. Wow, that was epic. That was epic. If you guys enjoyed Nirmal session, I want you to give me a hashtag Nirmal Rocks on Facebook because he was under the weather, but he wanted to really push and make this happen for all of you guys. So if you love the training, give me a hashtag Nirmal Rocks in Facebook. Let's go ahead and give a hashtag Nirmal Rocks on Facebook here. I'm doing it myself on the other computer here. Let's give a hashtag Nirmal Rocks. So when he wakes up in the morning, he can see that his training really had a big impact. I was reading Renee, really appreciating this. This video really helped her, would really help her go ahead and get everything rolling with her website. So it's really exciting, and I wanted to bring this to you guys. I know we have another video to go after to finalize, and also the article publishing. But what I think is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the other video, and at the end of it, that video is about 15 minutes, not a long video. We're gonna go ahead and do that. But one thing that we're gonna do, I think we're gonna wrap up with that, and then come back next week, Thursday, same time, and move on with the rest. Before I get this going, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy the link for next Thursday webinar and drop it in the chat so all of you guys can go ahead and register. And we're gonna come back Thursday, same time, and go after this. And I have few questions also on the few questions people asking about the offer. Yes, if you bought it already, you can buy it again for your other website. If you're building two websites, you can also take advantage of the other offer for the other website as well. So you can definitely do that. There's no restriction of such. We have few of you guys got in. And if you're on the webinar, if you already jumped into the offer, give me a hashtag I did. Hashtag I did. So I can keep track of it here because I don't want to look into the back end as of yet. I did. Just give me a hashtag I did so I can see the ones like the few of you guys that have already jumped into the offer. So let me go back here and get the link for next week. Let me go back here and grab the link for next week webinar. It's going to be here. This is the one next week. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna copy. Is that it? Yeah. Exclusive. No, this is tomorrow webinar. I don't want to share that. So this is tomorrow for the some of you guys that jump into the offer tomorrow at 8 p.m. We're gonna be here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this link. This is the link for next Thursday. We're gonna come back and follow through with the rest of the training. Let's keep the hashtag I did coming in so I can see a few of you guys that jumped in. I did. Amazing. Matt did. A few of you guys did. So this is the link for next week webinar. You can go ahead and register. And we're going to go ahead and play the last video. This is the lineup that we had. We have, how to publish your content, how to publish your articles. We're going to push this for next week because this video here was long. We're already at 9. As I told you, I don't want this to be a long webinar, keeping it short, keeping it sweet. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you this video, the video how to collect data with your website. I'm going to play that video and we're going to put this on the next week webinar. So go ahead and register for the webinar for next week. And let me drop the link in the chat so anybody that is in the chat that is not in the group would get it also. You can register for next week webinar and while you're figuring out how to register, I'm gonna pull up the next video that we're gonna play here. It's how to set up your newsletter so you can collect data from your website because you're gonna be publishing articles. And the articles that you're publishing, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have these members, these people that are joining your website. If they really love the content that you are sharing, they will want to be the first people to be alerted every time you're posting a new article about gold or about crypto. And they would want to share their email addresses with you. And it's a great asset for you to build. You want to build your list. You want to build your list. All of you guys got here because I had your list, your emails, and I send you an invite to the webinar. So these people as well would want to be in your list to be able to not miss on anything amazing that you'll be sharing on your website. And every time you publish a new article, you can send the email out to, hey guys, I just wrote an article about the top 10 investment opportunity you should look for in 2023, for instance, right? I'm just making articles, right? So they would be in the first line wanting to give you the emails to stay in touch with your website. So we're going to show you how you're going to leverage that, what we have built within the template that all of you guys already have, how you can collect those data. So we're going to watch this video and then come back and then wrap it up. And, I still have a couple of people, a slot available on the offer. If you're thinking about it, jump on and I'll see you guys in the inside. So let's play this video. Hello everyone, Mohamadi here, and we are back after finishing the branding of the website. What we're gonna do is go ahead and talk about how you're gonna collect data, how you're gonna use the subscribe button on your website. So Normal is gonna take us through it and through the setup process, so you guys would get to see the step-by-step process on how you can connect your subscribe button on your top, like top menu bar of your crypto template to your newsletter subscription platform. So, Nirmal, take it away.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to the home page. So this is our home page. So right now we don't have any newsletter section. So, but we have this button. So when user click on here, we will jump the user to the bottom, and we will add the newsletter section in the footer section. So let's jump to the footer editor. Again, baby builder, and select the footer. Scroll down, click on this plus icon, click on search, use, type subscription. This is your subscription module. Drag it and drop it here. So let's say this is your newsletter section, and now let's change the settings. We want the heading, okay, full name, first name. In the what in the bottom text, we don't need that. Hide this, and yeah, I think rest is fine. Now go back to style. Let's change this to the inline design so that it shows in one line, and make this center center. Right, so our newsletter section is now ready, and we want the responsive compatibility from medium to a small device. So the theme will automatically handle the responsive, and for the responsive spacing, let's make 20 is fine, and then click on save. So this is the form is ready. Let's add some space. Click here again, go to the advanced, and this is top, This is our right and this is our bottom. So from the bottom, let's add 50 pixel margin and click on submit. If you want to change the headings, click here, go to your journal tab. This is your text. Sign up for a free course. So this is, let's change this, newsletter, free, sign up for newsletter. So the text will be changed, and the bottom text, this is the bottom text. So you can also change that. So I'm not changing this right now. So let's leave this and click on save button. Now we want, if user click on subscribe button on the top, user will direct scroll down to this section, right? So let's add the ID. Go back to your advanced tab, and on here we need to add the ID. So this is our newsletter. In ID column, just type the newsletter. Copy this ID, click on save button, and done, publish. Meanwhile, these changes are submitting here. Let's wait. Okay, so now this is saved. Now open the header section in the new tab so that we don't need to change this again and again. Now go to the header section, click on this button, go to the journal tab, and this is our link section, and just type hash and paste it here, the ID. Click on save button, done, publish, and wait. And meanwhile, let's configure the form. So click on the newsletter section, and in the pop-up we can see the service. This is our MailChimp service. Like all the main services already we can see in the list. So let's say if you are using the MailChimp, then you can connect your these two details from the MailChimp, your name and the API key, and this information you can find from the MailChimp account, right? And currently we are using the active campaign, then click on active campaign, and the same thing, the account name, API URL and API key. And once we got these details, then click on connect, and our account will automatically connected here. So let me find, if I find the active campaign key here.
You can log into our active campaign there.
Yeah,
There you go.
yeah, yeah.
Maybe you want to
So
stop sharing your screen and get it before you come back so we don't show any data from our end.
yeah. Once, let me stop my screen.
Get the data and just go back to it.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay, back to my settings. Security, parents, my copy. Let's copy this. This is the account name, account name.
As soon as you get the data, you can just pretty much share your screen again
Yeah,
so
yeah,
people can see.
yeah. 1 second. Uh, let's pick this. Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, so this is our data. So this data you can find from your active campaign account. It's easily you can find this from the settings. So after update all these information, click on connect, and after validating this, we can see the list and we can choose the list. You can create the choose and all the list will automatically shows here. And once you select the, let's say if I select this list, then all the emails will directly goes to automatically saved on this list, right? This is the way that you can connect your account, like your for the emails, right? And you can collect all the emails, subscribed user email automatically on your selected account. So I have shows from the active campaign the similar things you have to do for the other platforms also. But pretty much some platforms have the 2 feeds, some have the 3 or 5, right? So all the information you can easily find from their settings section, right? So but active campaign is pretty much very easy. So that's why we are using this. So this is the way that you can connect this. Once this is done, then you don't have to do, after that you don't have to do anything. So just click on save button, right? And when we click on save button, then click on done, publish, and now let's see, let's wait. Right, so now let's click on here. When we click here, this will scroll to this section and the user can type the name, email and subscribe. Right, so automatically the list that you have selected, this information will automatically updated on that list. So this is the way that you
Collect
can
data.
activate your, yeah, and you can activate your newsletter section and you can connect directly your account with this. So if you have any other
Amazing.
questions, just let us know.
Beautiful. Guys, so we
Yeah.
went over like the basic edits of your branding. We went over how you can collect data. In the next video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do one of the most important and interesting part, which is, you know, like publishing articles to your website, and I'm gonna do that live. So I'll see you guys in the webinar. All right. Boom, boom, boom. This is another very important video that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a walkthrough. You have this big subscribe button on your template, and I know some of you guys might have asked yourself, why, what is this for? What can I do with this? Now you have just seen how you can really leverage this feature to gather some information and create yourself a list. And this is the list that's gonna give you like allow you to stay in touch with your loyal visitors, people that comes to your website. You wanna be able to give them, to present them something that would give them the opportunity to take the website with them when they left home, right? Not literally, but be able to have to know that every time you release something, they're going to be one of the first people to get in touch with, to get access to those articles that you'll be publishing. So this is amazing. I want to see the feedback on this video. If you really enjoyed this video, give me hashtag I did on Facebook. Let me open Facebook back. I have Facebook on my other screen here. Give me hashtag a date. And if you think this webinar was a home run, let's have had another hashtag home run, where it's about 9:25. I think we can take the next 6 minutes and run this really, really fast on publishing articles. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cover how you can publish articles, and I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and walk you guys through it very, very quickly, and then we're gonna wrap up. So I'm gonna go to the same website that we was just working on, that Nirmal was working on. It's called Secure Investment Insider. Secure Investment Insider. Yeah, I'm logged in. So I'm logged in here, and as you can see, you see like there is these articles. Actually, let me go ahead and add pages. I'm gonna add new pages to the website, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the article. So I think 6 minutes would be enough for me to do that. So let's go ahead and log into our backend. As you can see, the brand is integrated. The branding was same color than same colors as the main templates that you guys are using. That's why there wasn't a lot of customization. There wasn't a lot of customization to make as far as the color is concerned. Just because of the video, we didn't want to sit and work on this branding integration for over an hour and 30 minutes to show you guys every single nuts and bolts of the branding process. But all of you guys that have gotten the offer, you don't have to worry about figuring out how to integrate your branding. That's also included. It's $199 by itself, but because you're getting the offer, all of that is included. You don't have to worry about it. So we're gonna come in here and add pages. I logged into my website and I went to and installed my TAW Theme plugin. And as you can see, all the templates that you have on your account would be here. Because I have a free coupon that I use, I can get all the templates that I want in my account. But you guys, you might have one or two templates, so it wouldn't be hard for you to find the template you're looking for, right? So this is the template that is currently installed. As you can see, this is the one installed, the theme that is installed. And you have this little button here. We developed this 6 months ago, or like 3 months ago, with the first test group of Affiliate Without Risk, back then Crypto Without Risk. And this has been proven to be really useful. And a lot of you new members that are joining might not have seen that. But if you go to the add-on section, you're gonna see a lot of pages. We have built pages into this so you guys can leverage. Am I sharing my screen? I hope I'm sharing my screen. Otherwise, I'll drive myself crazy again. I hope I'm sharing. Let me see the comments just for a minute to make sure I'm sharing my screen. Make sure I'm sharing my screen. Oh my God, I wasn't sharing, but let's go back. Thank God, oh, it seems like, oh, stop showing video. Yeah, I stopped showing the video. Now I can share my screen. Now, can you guys see my screen? No. Oh, main screen. Wow. Thank you guys for drawing my attention, and I didn't go so far. So let me go back so you guys can know where we got this from. So I was back here on the website that Nirmal was walking over. And now what we're gonna do is add pages to our, to our website. This is the regular template that you have gotten. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add two pages, an about page and a contact page. And let's go ahead and get it going. I'm gonna go to my dashboard here, my WordPress dashboard. And as soon as I get to my dashboard, I'm gonna go on install theme and find the theme that is installed. Like I was telling you guys, that because I have a free coupon, that's why I have all these templates on here. You guys might have 2 or 3 in there, but it will be easy for you to find the install theme. The install theme have like the orange thing there, and you see this little button here called add-ons. Add-ons is one of the most important feature that we developed with the first Crypto Without Risk group, and it has been proven to be really useful. And a lot of the people that came before you have used it. So we can literally just click on, this is a contact page, and this is an About Us page. I'm just going to click on import, and the page will be automatically built. This is one of the coolest features we have on TAW Theme. So I'm going to go ahead and import, and let's wait. Import it successfully. Boom. And then the About Us page, I'm going to click on it. Boom, imported successfully. Now we have an About page and a contact page on our website. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Let's go look at the pages. We're going to go to home. Okay, no, let's go to pages. Pages, all pages. All pages. You see, I have this published, these pages, I have the About page and the contact page. Okay, I published it twice. Did I click on it twice? Yeah. So I think that I click on it twice, but let me delete one, trash one, and leave one. Trash one, leave one. Because I wasn't sharing my screen, maybe I clicked it a couple of times. Let me refresh. Make sure I trash the one that I don't want. I have one About Us and one Contact Us. Let me trash this one too. Boom. Yes. So now it's trashed, and let's go view this page, view the contact page that we have and the About Us page that we have. So this is our Contact Us page, nice and short and sweet. Install. If you want to add an About section on your website, you can do that. Like your contact section on your website, you can do that. And if this is the About Us page, if you want to add an About Us page on your website, you can do that. Some of you guys might decide to make the About Us page a home page. Pretty much that would say about, like that would say a lot about the website and whatnot as the home page, and they can go through the other pages as a resource pages. What we're gonna do here, I'm gonna add those pages on my menu here. So I'm gonna go to menu. I'm gonna go to customize, and I'm gonna go to my menu, menus, right? I'm gonna go to the header menu. This is my header menu, and I see all this stuff here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add items. The new pages that are created, one, About, and Contact. I added them. But what I can do, I can just maybe make one of those pages like under under the other pages. So we have we can keep press release as press release, right? Keep that as a main page, and press release about crypto. No, actually, let's use resources. Resources about crypto, and resources about, actually, yeah, resources about crypto, and resources about blockchain, and resources about what? Actually, let me go to reviews. I'm going to have reviews, and I'm going to have, now I just want to put a couple of pages under each one. It doesn't matter because it's not a real website. If I was to do it, I would do it strategically, but I just want to show you guys the example. So I decided to put press release, resources, and blockchain under press release, right? So I'm going to go ahead and publish my menu, my new menu. And you're going to see on my menu bar, things will change. So it's published. Let me go ahead and refresh it. Refresh it. And now you see I have a Contact Us and About Us. If I want to make it more balanced, I would say, okay, I want the About Us to be maybe in the front, home, about, and then the contact at the end of the page, and I'll publish that. So now what I just did, I added two amazing pages with my crypto, my TAW Theme add-on features, and you guys can create those pages if you want to add those pages as well. So let me go ahead and publish this. Boom, boom, boom. Amazing. So we just added two amazing pages. Next thing that we're going to do, we're going to see how we can add content, add articles, or content, right? Like article content is the same thing pretty much, right? So what we're going to do is, for articles, let's go ahead and go to dashboard, and we're going to go to post and add new post. If we go to add new post, what it does, it opens us this, this pretty much editor, like that we can just plug things in. So for here, if I come here, I'm gonna just put my title here, crypto. I would say top crypto investment companies. Top crypto investment companies. Let me come here, investment companies, and I'm gonna add my content. One of the coolest things that we have in TAW Theme, and I will show you guys in just a minute, is in a content planner, if I have my content, I can literally download the content. The content that you guys are getting, you can literally go ahead and download them as a PDF, as a file, right? You come here, you go to publish, right? You can say, oh, I don't want to publish, I just want to download the article, right? And when you download the article, you get a zip folder like this. And when you open the zip folder, you have three items inside. You have the image feature, the image, the two images that is featured, and you have the doc with the content. Right now on this article is just dummy articles, dummy content. There's nothing useful there. It's just like dummy content and these two pictures, but we still downloaded that anyhow. So this is the content that is on there. Let me say this is my article content. This is my content about my page, like my article. I'm just gonna come and put it on here. And one of the amazing thing that you see is that when you are here, you go to three dots to the settings section here. What you see is, okay, boom, advanced HTML, not here. But if you go here, you see manage resource block, blah, 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 toolbar, top toolbars, like full screen view. Okay, let me post, yeah, here. So if you look at this section here, we have already designed a template. The default template of your article will be the one that every single article has. Every single article, if you look at the template, the way the articles are displayed, that's how we design this template and make it a default. So if you post your article, it's going to automatically take the featured image and lay out the content for you. So what I want to do, I have another picture that I want to add. So I'm going to go ahead and add a picture. And if I want to add something, I just come here, click the add button. If it's a photo, I'm going to put photo. I'm going to upload the photo. It's here, my second picture here, right? So this is it. And we're going to finish the article. Nice. If I want to add something about the article, I would say crypto photo. And a lot of time when you're posting an article like that, you want to give credit if you don't have the picture. If the picture is not your own and you grab it from a website, you might want to give them the credit, photo by whoever, by Wikipedia, for instance, if you're posting it from Wikipedia, right? So you can see photo by wiki as the underlining of the photo, and you can pretty much enter the alt tag of your picture, add any content that you want to add there, and if you want to do anything with the size of the picture, you can do that as well. But we're going to leave our article like that and go back to post here. We're going to see a section here about featured image. Featured image is your image at the top, and we're going to go ahead and upload the picture on the top, which is this one here. Our featured image is already named because it's from TAW Theme, TAW WP. Oh, no, TAW Theme. A lot of TAW going on, so it tends to get a little confusing. But this is our article. If I want to add my anchor text, I'm going to go ahead and add anchor text. Let's say this is my anchor text, and I want it to go to mohamadiworks.com. Oh, like, let me just put tawtheme.com. TAW Theme. theme.com, for instance. Yeah, it's going to TAWtheme.com. Boom. Okay, yeah. What happened? TAW Theme. So this is my anchor text. You can add as many anchor texts as you want, and you go ahead and click on publish. Publishing the article, we can go view our post here, and here's our post with the same format that every single one of the posts in the article is. You know, this took us like 5-10 minutes to post, but we have the coolest feature and another cool feature in TAW Theme as well that allow you to publish your picture, your content automatically. I just have to come here and say, Secure Investment Insider, I want to post this article again on here. Boom. And I can just publish it. Just have to enter the URL and just publish it. Click on publish, and it will be error because it's already posted. I posted it last time. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, let me try to find another article. So this article here, let's post the one with this one, the blue magnetic or static or whatever it is. Yeah, I'm gonna post this one here. So I just put the website and click on publish, and boom. Takes like 5 seconds. That's the cool, like one of the coolest feature, and our article is posted. So let's go back to our website here and see all our posts, and we're gonna see all our posts. This is the one I posted recently, right? Top crypto companies, and this is the other one that I posted. Let me go to my front page, my page directly to see. Okay, so this is a static picture that I just posted September 2nd, because I'm logging on the team timeline. It's September 2nd there, so it's posted September 2nd, right? And this is the one that I posted before September 2nd as well. This is my recent articles, and my recent articles also shows up on, yeah, let me see where else. You know, these tags, you can tag this section with something different, and every post that you post would just distribute on here as well. So you see, we posted these two articles. One way is through TAW Theme platform, and the other way is manually. So I'm glad we get to squeeze this in, and it's exactly 9:42, and we are still on the mark. So I want to, you know, if there's any questions related to this, we can go ahead and get it going. One of the questions that I get a lot is people asking if the articles in TAW Theme is unique article, and the answer is yes. Every articles in TAW Theme is unique. As soon as it's purchased off the TAW Theme platform, it's never to be. You're not gonna see it again. It's gone forever. The person who bought the article owns the right to the article, and it will not be on the platform anymore. So hope that answers your question. Let's go to Facebook and see if any other questions in Facebook. We can get it going. Boom, boom, boom. Any questions on Facebook? Let me refresh it and see, because we tend to break Facebook sometime. So boom, do you need to change or keep every bottom, keep the very bottom of the team? No, like Allison, you can change it. You can change it to your liking. It's all up to you. You can change it to whatever you want. Can we still order gold article outside of the special? Yep, you're gonna be able to order gold article. I'm gonna work on a really good coupon for you guys to not order the article for $100, but something really, really affordable. So stay in the lookout for that. Another question. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, Kim, got that. No, I think there's no question. I think this was crystal clear, crystal clean. Thank you all for joining. Who gets credited as author for the purchase theme article? No, you get credited as the author if you publish your article. For instance, if you look at this article, I'm using my like this account. I'm the admin. You see the admin TAW SEO agency at gmail.com. is the admin. That's why you have this here, and you can change the admin, and whoever, if you publish the article, you are automatically the person that is accredited for that article. Let's see any other comment. Boom, boom, boom. Are you the article SEO optimized? Yep, it's SEO optimized, and it's well tested. It's well tested. It's your readability tested as well, but you can optimize it on your own terms and add any keywords that you feel like you need to add on your article, and then you do that. Let's see any other question. Boom. Can we cover next time? Can we cover next time how it works issuing banners to our site from our Gold affiliate? Oh yeah, we can definitely talk about that, how it's done, or not the purpose of the banners. Yep, we can definitely talk about that. Renee, can we change the date of the article? Yeah, you can change the date of the article. What happened is you just have to publish it at that date. You know, if you publish the date on a specific date, it's going to show up at that date. And without WP, like without Theme, you can go ahead and set up your article to be published at a specific date. If you come here, you can select the date that you want it to be published. If you have 5 articles and you want it to be published a week apart, I can post one today, another one on the 9th, and another one on the 16th schedule, and they will all be posted according to my schedule. And as soon as the article is posted, obviously you're not going to be able to change the date because of the, it's on the website and it's just part of it. What's the difference between affiliate website branding offer and crypto? Yeah, affiliate branding offer is a $497 offer that are created for $497. You have a $200 coupon code from Affiliate Without Risk that give you the branding for $497, and that's only for the branding. But the current offer that I have, I included the branding, I included $500 worth of articles. I also included a hosting package, hosting plan worth like $89.99 that you can even use to get an upgraded hosting plan and just apply the coupon stores that, and also included the website's page speed optimization and included the group call that we're going to have tomorrow. So all of you guys that took the offer today, just stay close attention to your email. You're going to receive an email about the offer onboarding. They'll show you different, like 5-6 different steps on how you can get everything rolling, and make sure you register for the webinar tomorrow. And the affiliate and gold template bundle is a bundle for affiliate gold. This is the bundle. This, if you go here on overview, this is the bundle offer. It's two website template, crypto WordPress template and the gold investment template. It's 2 template bundle. This is template 1. This is gold. This template here and the bundle, and then the other template. Let's go to crypto. Where's crypto? Okay. Crypto, yeah. And this one. These 2 website bundle, you get that for $199 if you're part of Affiliate Without Risk, and you have the coupon code in your members area. You can go get it. Yes, so I hope that answers your question, Annie. And I think we are good. We are golden, guys. If you have any other question, post it in the Facebook group, and we keep this rolling. Thank you all for attending, for joining, and subscribe to the TAW Theme YouTube channel so you can stay up to date when the replay is posted. If you have not subscribed, here's the link. Go and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next webinar. Let's go. Where's my camera here? And I'll see you guys in the webinar. Go subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me drop it here. And and send to entire audience. Let me see what question is here as well. Do you offer promotion if we buy article in bulk? Yes, Clay, if you want to buy articles in bulk, yes, we provide. We're going to provide you an offer. One of the people, Paul, he was on a call last Thursday. He bought 20 articles all at once. And I was like, whoa, he wasn't supposed to buy that much. I tried to limit everybody 5 articles so we can distribute it to as many people as possible because 5 articles can get your website started. So if you have any further question, drop them in the Facebook group. And as always, take care, enjoy the rest of your night, and we talk later. For those of you who have gotten the offer, make sure you register for tomorrow at 8 p.m. It's going to be very few of us. We're all going to be in the screen. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to answer a lot of questions and make sure that each and every single one of you guys are well situated on your affiliate journey. Let's get it. And I'll see you guys in the next webinar. Bye-bye. Take care.